Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine and I'm going to throw together really quick a protein shake using some frozen bananas, protein powder, and a few other fun things. So I thought I'd bring you along with. So come on with. So we're going to put all these ingredients into this cup and get it blended up in the magic bullet. So I like to start out with the banana. And the banana's frozen, gives it the sweet little bit of sweetness, and that way you don't have to add ice to it. So it's kind of split in half. I'm going to start out there. Let's get that in. And then the other ingredients that I really like to add are some chia seeds. I've got some peanut butter powder. You can add real peanut butter if you like. And then cacao powder, like cocoa powder. And then I've got some dehydrated strawberries. And then my usual, I've got cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric. And then I thought, yeah, a little bit of sweet in there for some chocolate chips. And then the main also is the protein powder, Orgain, and this is vanilla flavored. And then for liquid, I've just got some vanilla almond milk. So I'm gonna actually add, I've got the banana in, and it has a fill line on here, so make sure you don't fill above that. And I'm just gonna do 1 scoop. It's kind of afternoon here, and I'm kind of starting to slow down. So I just thought I'd whip this up really quick. And then let's do the good stuff first. So chia seeds, I do like a half a teaspoon. And then peanut butter powder, I do a full teaspoon. And you can add more or less of whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to throw just a few of strawberries, because strawberry banana is always kind of fun. And then I'm going to do a little cacao, a little bit of chocolate. And I'm going to go in with the teaspoon again, 1 full teaspoon. And then all of my goodies here. I've got my turmeric for health, and I'm doing a half a teaspoon of that. You know, while you're making this, you might as well try to make it as healthy as you can to offset some of the goodies that you maybe put in here. And then ginger, half a teaspoon. And this is 1 frozen banana in here, a little bit on the larger side. And then half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. Get that sealed back up. And then I'm just going to do a quick dollop, little handful of mini chocolate chips. Okay. So all the ingredients are in, and then what's left, so there's a little max line on the cup. So I'm going to fill that up with my unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I'm going to fill it up to the max line, which is there. And I'm going to get this blended up. I've got the kind of heavier duty one that is good for frozen things. Get that on all the way. And then with the magic bullet, you just pulse it up and down. So I'm going to get this mixed up. I'm going to give it a shake. Just try to get all the good stuff off the bottom. And let's do it. Ready? Okay. Give it a tap down. And if you want it a little bit thicker, you can. But this is a good consistency for me. It's a little bit more shaky, if that's a word. I'm gonna take a taste. Oh yeah. So if you do want it a little bit thicker, you can add a few ice cubes to it, and then it'll thicken it up a little bit more. But that's it, guys. I'll leave the ingredients down below, and we'll get this video closed up because I'm ready to have that. Okay friends, so 5 minutes later and my protein shake is ready to go. So I'll leave the list of ingredients of what I personally put in. You can always add or subtract to it, but utilize those frozen bananas. They work so good. A little bit of protein powder, and it's a really nice healthy snack. Yeah, maybe the chocolate chips weren't so healthy, but they were dark chocolate, so they do have some medicinal purposes. So if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care, and God bless. Just step up that protein shake so much more. So I'll show you what I put in it and what else. Can't quite think of anything else. That really brings it up to a whole new level. So, well, I appreciate you coming with. Oh golly gosh.